Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making California chicken casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a 9x13 baking pan, and I'm going to spray that little bit of food release spray. This is just canola oil. And you can mix your stuff together in a bowl, but I'm going to do it all right in this baking pan. Now I have two 10.5 ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to get them down in there. Alright, now I'm going to add about 3/4 of a can of milk, soup can of milk in there. Let me grab a spoon here and give this a stir to mix it all together. You just want to blend your milk and your soup together. And try not to decorate your kitchen like I am, guys. Alright, that's looking good for just now. Now I have some pimentos here. This is a 4-ounce jar of pimentos. I'm going to take about 2 ounces and put them in there. That's half a jar. And if you're unfamiliar with pimentos, they're the little red things in the middle of an olive. They're also a pimento loaf. That's a deli meat that you eat on a sandwich. Give that a quick stir. Now I have 2 chicken breasts here I boiled up. Yeah, Dexter. I boiled up and I shredded. I boiled them for about 10 minutes in some salt water. Shredded them. We're going to get them down in there. I have an 8-ounce block of Swiss cheese here I shredded up. I'm going to put about half of that in right now. Dig my spoon out of there. We're going to add the other half to the top later on. I'll put that in the refrigerator to keep it. I'm going to add in a little bit of onion powder. I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon, guys. And about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, or garlic salt. So you can also use garlic powder, guys. And this comes out a little slow, it's not as fine. Give that a stir. And we're looking good, guys. Alright, now I have 2 12-ounce packs of California blend or California style vegetables. They're frozen. I'm going to add them in there. Hey guys, this is a real quick and easy throw together weeknight meal. And I'm going to give that a stir to get it mixed down into the sauce with the chicken. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven, uncovered for 45 minutes. And then we'll pull it out and we'll add the rest of our cheese in. Alright guys, after my 45 minutes I took that out, I threw the rest of my Swiss cheese on, I gave it 10 more minutes, it just came out of the oven. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in there and give this a try. And let me tell you, this is awful creamy. Awful good creamy. Now you probably could add, it's a big chunk of cheese, you probably could add some pasta in there if you liked. Some white egg noodles or a little bit of macaroni. Try a piece of this chicken, guys. Nice and tender. Well seasoned. A little broccoli here. This will also be good served over rice. That's really good, guys. Really creamy. You get the cream from the cheese and the soup. You get the seasonings I added in there. And you get the freshness from the vegetables. A nice crisp from that broccoli. Alright, there you have it, guys. California chicken casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see ya.